US stocks rose on Wednesday as positive earnings and good data out of China filled optimism about the global recovery. This marked the fourth straight day of gains with global share indices. At the time of writing, the Dow Jones sits above 11,100 mark. This marked a 1% gain overnight. It appears that a parity party for the Australian dollar is firmly on the cards, with the Australian dollar appreciating quite a bit against the US overnight. At the time of writing, the Australian dollar sits above 99.2 US cents. This dragged the New Zealand dollar up against the US overnight, and at the time of writing was above US 76 cents. On Monday night, Chinese authorities tapped the economic brakes by requiring banks to hold more capital. Lifting the reserve requirement ratio does limit the ability of banks to lend and therefore slows the economy. Despite this, business confidence has improved in China recently and their trade surplus has narrowed. Businesses in China continue to benefit from the undervaluation of the yuan. Having an undervalued currency does increase the competitive advantage over international competitors and therefore increases businesses' profitability. Recently, this has been a hotly debated topic, with the US Treasury indicating that they are likely to label China as a currency manipulator. This is something that will no doubt rile the authorities in Beijing. Domestic wool prices are riding high after slumping during the global financial crisis. In our Commonwealth Bank of Australia Commodity Price Index, we have noticed that wool prices have increased 10% over the last 2 weeks alone. This has mounted to a 50% increase in the index this year. Despite our strong currency at present, it is pleasing to note that returns to farmers have improved recently. As in all exporters, our highly appreciating New Zealand dollar has eroded some of the returns for exporters at present, but it is pleasing to note that sheep, beef and dairy prices have all increased over the last period.